Communities, how you doing? Today I'm with you with something I guess I haven't really done in a really long time is a proper unboxing. Like I have not opened this box. I just got it, was it today or yesterday? And this is from my proxy in Japan, and literally this stuff like he wasn't shipping stuff out, or a lot of Japan stuff wasn't shipping out in 2020. So a lot of the stuff like I purchased like a year ago, and it's kind of funny because I think sometimes buying stuff can be such like an emotional impulse buy, and then like a year later you're just kind of like, did I really need to buy that? But this will be kind of like a surprise. I think I think I know everything that's in there, but I don't know. We'll see. And this is, I would say, all of this merch, if not most of it, is from the Sailor Moon store. So, yeah, here we go. Da-da-da. So right now it is January 17th, and the first Sailor Moon and Turtle movie came out in Japan, and so I haven't really bought any Sailor Moon and Turtle merch yet, except maybe the CDs on iTunes. It'll be interesting to. Oh my gosh! This isn't the box I was thinking of. Oh my god! It's something completely different. It's alright. This is a surprise. This has turned into a Queen Serenity Pullip. Oh my goodness. That's hilarious. Well, this is so funny because I've been following Pullip Style, I think is the Instagram account. And they literally, they're like, oh, the Pulips came in. They're really good about updating you when they come in. And they're like, they came in, they're off to UPS. And apparently it came 1 to 2 days later. So I didn't think I was getting this. Actually, I think these were supposed to ship out in December, but it's okay. Not a huge deal. And this was so exciting too. I would say it's really, really good to follow. If you are interested in some of the pulips. How do we say this? Pull up. I don't know. Is that here? I'll just have Queen Serenity right there. Let's get in there, girl. We can do this video together. What was I saying? I totally lost my choo-choo. I was saying, so it's really good to follow, I don't know if they're on Twitter, but on Instagram, they're really good about updating, because I never thought Queen Serenity was going to be re-released again. It's kind of random with what they re-released with the pull-ups. They also re-released Black Lady as well. And I don't know. I'm really holding out for the Princess Kaku one. That's we have Human Luna back there, Queen Serenity, and then Princess Kaku, and I'm done. I can't think of any other character that I would really want outside of those three. But unless they did maybe some more of the Sailor Stars villains, I think those would be really cool. And plus, there's not much merch of them. But I suppose we'll see going forward. Anywho, let's get to Queen Serenity. Enough of my blabbing. I don't know. Let me take a good look at her. You guys can look at the back. And I really don't want to take her out of the box yet. I think she's okay in the box for now, but she's kind of strapped in there. She kind of looks like, I don't know if you can see that. She's kind of strapped in there. But look at that's pretty. That face is really pretty. Before I was like, it looks so creepy. Now I'm like, that's a really nice face. What else? So she has her little I don't know what we call it, tiara necklace. And then what's interesting, I'm looking at her dress here. The dress is actually kind of ribbed. I don't know if you can see that on there. So I just thought it was like silky, and it's not. And it's a proper mermaid dress. You can see that in there. What else? Oh, her wings are attached to the side right there. She has a little card on the other side. I don't know if you can see that there. She has shoes actually, and they're kind of right in there. What else? So you have Pullip on the side there. You have Luna and Artemis up there. Got a moonstick. She also comes with a stand. There's a stand and a holder. There's the stand and holder right there. More on the other side. Moon wand, kitties. Let's see. There is English on the back here. Let's see. Let's review this together. It says, keep the doll away from fire. This item contains small and sharp pieces. Handle them carefully. Don't allow children to manipulate them. Also, keep away from children. Decorative item only. Please do not treat roughly. Do not leave in damp or extremely warm places. This could damage the product's finishing. This product may be stained color by rubbing. This product may be stained color by rubbing for the property of body and cloth. I have no idea what that means. This product may be scratched by rubbing and touch for the property of molding. Clearly, they chucked the Japanese into translator. I don't know. There's like a little gold seal, reflective seal right there. I would imagine that's proper Pullip seal. You know what's so interesting about this is like I think is Pullip like actually a Korean company that just has like really intense like Japanese like connections, because obviously like there's a URL here in Japanese and then a URL in like Korean, and I think like it says all rights reserved in like I think that's like Korean. Interesting. It says made in China on the bottom here. Or on the top. Yeah, sorry. I don't know. I really don't want to. I mean, I guess I should probably take her out, at least, and unstrap her. So there's a how to make the doll stand in English. How to close her eyelids, also in English. This is exciting that everything is in English. God bless for international releases. Doesn't she look so good? And you can just look at her while I unstrap her here. Okay, I think that's all I'm going to take off of her. She was a reasonable amount of money. She was about $150. Like, so I paid like retail price on this. So yeah, this is really exciting. I never thought I would get to have her. So, all right. I guess next time we'll do the other box.